Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to optimize your Wix website for mobile, which means to create a mobile-friendly website. Firstly, start with mobile-first approach, designed for smaller screens first, then scale up for tablets or desktops. Mobile first ensures critical content and features work flawlessly where most of your audience is. Secondly, choose mobile responsive template. Pick a responsive Wix template that automatically adapts to any screen size. Responsive design boosts SEO since Google favors mobile-friendly sites, and Wix Studio templates are designed with flexibility for both desktop and mobile. Flash isn't supported on most mobile devices, so use HTML5 and CSS for animations, media, and interactive content instead. Speed is key for user experience and SEO, so test with Google Page Speed Insights. Reduce redirects, compress images, and use reliable hosting like Wix already optimizes server-side speed. Also, choose fonts that are eligible on small screens. Avoid fancy or overly thin typefaces and stick with 16px or larger for body text. Resize and compress images before uploading. Use WebP format for faster and load times and add alt text for SEO and accessibility. Also on mobile, links should be large and spaced apart to prevent missed tabs. Avoid clustering clickable elements too closely. Ensure your site scales properly across devices, and Wix automatically includes this, but if you're embedding custom code, make sure this tag is present. Also, mobile users don't like long forms. Keep it only essential fields and disable autocorrect on fields like names or emails. And break content into short paragraphs and use bullet points, headings, and visuals for better readability. Make CTAs large, bold, and easy to tap, and place them strategically within scrolling flow. And especially important for content-heavy sites, add a search function which help users quickly find what they need on mobile. So just keep it simple, and you need to test on a real device. With these steps, your site will be a mobile-first, responsive, fast, and user-friendly, keeping both Google and your visitors happy. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.